Hello, I'm Carmen and welcome to the Featherweight Shop. Today I've got a little tip regarding the bobbin winder. We get quite a few questions as to why the bobbin winder will not wind a bobbin without holding pressure down on it. And often it's from the washers inside the unit needing replaced or simply turned around. This cupped washer keeps pressure on that arm and thus pressure from the wheel onto the belt. And the cupped washer goes on like this, with the concave or the cupped portion of the washer facing away from the screw head. And we carry replacements of that washer that I'll list below. But just as often, it's because the bobbin winder wheel is stiff. It should spin freely. And here's what I mean by freely. Put a loaded bobbin onto the bobbin winder and attach your bobbin tension meter to the end of the thread and simply lift up. It should read very little tension, like maybe 5 grams at the most. But if I tried on this one over here that was stiff, and pull up on it, the tension goes way up, like all the way up to 40 grams. And this extra tension will cause the wheel to slip on the belt. There's most likely nothing wrong with this bobbin winder. It just needs a little servicing. The bobbin winder has a little hole, an oiling hole in it, and it needs just 1 drop of oil. But if you're starting out with a machine that's maybe new to you and it's really stiff, then I would put a couple drops of kerosene in that hole first. Spin it for just a little bit till it starts spinning freely, and then go back and add another drop of sewing machine oil, and it'll be working correctly. Just a little tip from the Featherweight Shop. Have a great day.